Plant FAQs. Aeonium Blushing Beauty. Aeonium Blushing Beauty. Frequently asked questions. Hi there, Furbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for succulents. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Aeonium Blushing Beauty, a true stunner with its captivating good looks and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned succulent collector or just starting your botanical journey, this FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate a thriving blushing beauty. See more 91 species in genus Aeonium at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aeonium Blushing Beauty? The Aeonium Blushing Beauty is a captivating succulent prized for its rosette-shaped clusters of light green, spoon-shaped leaves. A hallmark feature is the blushing red edging that graces the leaves, particularly vibrant during the summer months. This award-winning succulent, a hybrid created by Jack Catlin in the USA, boasts an upright, branched form that can reach up to 1 meter in height. How do I care for my Aeonium Blushing Beauty? The Blushing Beauty is a succulent dream, requiring minimal effort to thrive. Here's a quick guide. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the soil dries completely. Overwatering is a cardinal sin for succulents, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Well-draining succulent or cactus mix is essential. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Temperature. Prefers warm to moderate temperatures. Protect from frost, as it's not cold hardy. Pro tip. Rotate your Blushing Beauty regularly to ensure even growth. Can I grow my Blushing Beauty outdoors? Absolutely. The Blushing Beauty thrives outdoors in warm climates. USDA hardiness zones 9B, 11. Planted in a well-draining location with access to plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. During harsh winters, consider bringing it indoors to a protected area. However, if you reside in a cooler climate, container growing is the way to go. This allows you to move your Blushing Beauty indoors during winter for optimal protection. How do I propagate my Aeonium Blushing Beauty? Sharing the beauty is always a good idea. Here are 2 ways to propagate your Blushing Beauty. Offsets. Mature Blushing Beauties produce offsets, or pups, at the base of the main plant. Carefully remove healthy offsets and pot them in well-draining succulent mix. Leaf cuttings. Select healthy leaves and allow them to callus over for a day or 2. Plant the calloused end in a pot with succulent mix and keep the soil slightly moist. Remember, patience is key during propagation. New growth might take a while to appear. Does the Aeonium Blushing Beauty flower? The Blushing Beauty can occasionally produce a cluster of pale yellow flowers in spring, emerging from the center of a rosette. While the flowers are attractive, some growers choose to remove them to encourage continued foliage growth. Common problems with Aeonium Blushing Beauty. Overwatering. This is the most common issue. Signs include mushy leaves and stem rot. Mealybugs. These tiny, sap-sucking insects can appear as cottony white patches on the leaves. Treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Scale. These armored insects attach themselves to the leaves and suck sap. Use horticultural oil to control them. Prevention is always better than cure. Proper watering, good air circulation, and inspecting your plant regularly will help keep pests at bay. How is the Aeonium Blushing Beauty different from a jade plant, Crassula ovata? Both the Blushing Beauty and the jade plant are popular succulents, but they have some key differences. Leaf shape. Blushing Beauty has spoon-shaped leaves, while jade plant features oval-shaped, fleshy leaves. Color. Blushing Beauty boasts red-tinged leaves, while jade plant typically has green leaves. Flowering. Blushing Beauty flowers occasionally, while jade plant flowers more frequently. Growth habit. Blushing Beauty has a branched, upright form, while jade plant has a bushier, more compact growth. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the space available. I hope this FAQ has empowered you to cultivate a thriving Aeonium Blushing Beauty. With its captivating looks and easy care requirements, this succulent is sure to become a cherished part of your plant collection. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy planting!